Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest home renovation tips and DIY projects. Today, we're tackling a master bedroom remodel. Whether you're looking to create a cozy retreat or a stylish space, we have all the steps you need to transform your bedroom. Let's get started. Step 1. Plan and budget. Start by determining your overall vision for the space. Once you have a vision, set a realistic budget. Make a list of priorities, such as new furniture, flooring, or lighting, and allocate funds accordingly. Step 2. Clear the room. Next, clear the room. Remove all furniture, decor, and personal items. This will give you a blank canvas to work with and make the renovation process much smoother. Don't forget to cover or remove flooring if you're planning to replace it. Step 3. Make structural changes. If you're planning any structural changes, now is the time to make them. This could include moving walls, adding built-in storage, or changing the layout of the room. Make sure to hire professionals for any major structural work to ensure it's done safely and correctly. Step 4. Update electrical and plumbing. Update the electrical and plumbing systems as needed. This might include adding new outlets, installing new light fixtures, or updating plumbing for an ensuite bathroom. Again, it's best to hire professionals for these tasks to ensure everything is up to code. Step 5. Paint and wallpaper. Now it's time to paint and wallpaper. Choose colors and patterns that match your vision for the room. Light colors can make the space feel larger, while darker shades add coziness and drama. If you're using wallpaper, apply it to an accent wall for a pop of personality. Step 6. Install flooring. Install new flooring if needed. Hardwood, laminate, and carpet are all great options for a master bedroom. Choose a material that fits your style and comfort needs. Make sure to install a good underlayment to add insulation and comfort underfoot. Step 7. Add furniture and decor. Now for the fun part, adding furniture and decor. Start with the essentials like the bed, nightstands, and dressers. Then, add decorative items like rugs, curtains, artwork, and plants to bring the room to life. Choose pieces that reflect your style and create a cohesive look. Step 8. Optimize storage. Optimize storage to keep your master bedroom clutter-free. Use closet organizers, underbed storage, and built-in shelving to make the most of your space. A tidy room feels more relaxing and inviting. Step 9. Lighting. Don't forget about lighting. Combining ambient, task, and accent lighting will make your bedroom functional and cozy. Install dimmable overhead lights, bedside lamps, and accent lighting to create the perfect ambience. And there you have it, a beautifully renovated master bedroom. Here's a look at the before and after. The transformation is truly remarkable. With careful planning and creativity, you can transform your space into the bedroom of your dreams. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your own renovation tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home renovation ideas and DIY projects. Thanks for watching.